discuss that with the people who live here, because if they have things they have to do, then we're gonna have to go home as soon as I'm done with these invitations. But it'll be a little while. We don't have to leave right now.
Give Hardy a kiss.
I'm not gonna do that. Oh, darn.
Okay, this looks better, doesn't it?
Now make her laugh. Make her laugh really hard.
Buggy bug bug!
Make her laugh again.
Evan, where's the baby?
Hold it. There's the baby.